Hi, my name's Allie. This is part 2 of the affiliate marketing blueprint. We're going to start with week 4. So week 4, you have your free traffic that you basically want to use. You want to rank your keywords for your content. So week 4, basically you want to work on getting outside traffic, to your website. Through your YouTube channel or through your funnel. So basically, you would have your free traffic method of YouTube or the website that you set up. You have your social media that you can use basically to help grow your audience. So you would connect your social media to your traffic source of to your YouTube, your content source, and you would just lead them from one to the other. And for traffic, you can use for social media, you have Facebook pages, you have Facebook groups, you have Instagram, you have Quora. You can go in Quora and you can ask questions, and you can search questions and you can try and answer them, answer the questions that people are searching for in your niche. You have Pinterest. You have YouTube. Start getting an audience to your website and or funnels with YouTube. You have basically what you want to do is you want to have as much content as possible with the website, Facebook groups, whatever social media you're using, your website, your funnels. You basically want to have as much content as possible. As basically what you're doing is you're planting the seeds, and eventually your content gets more traffic, and the leads, they turn into commissions, and you have like this big tree eventually, and you just get more and more commissions, and your content just starts to grow eventually. So next, for week 4, you have your email list. You want to send the traffic back to your content source using your email. You have the basic SEO. Basically, you want to use long tail keywords around your content. So whatever your YouTube video you're using, try to rank with long tail keywords. And also for your website, use long tail keywords. So week 4, you basically want to figure out, your free traffic, your social media platforms for your audience in your niche, what works best. You want to scope out your competition. You want to drive the free traffic to your content sources, and you want to build an audience, and you want to build a email list. So week 5, you want to invest in paid traffic. So once you start making some money, you basically want to invest in paid traffic to upscale your business. So try and save some money as much as possible. Just cut back on a couple things. Maybe don't go out to dinner as much. Those type of things. So basically, take the start using paid traffic like ads and stuff. But if you're not familiar, if you don't know what you're doing and you're just starting out, you don't want to do paid traffic. This is just if you really know what you're doing, and if you know it's really working and you have a process. Otherwise, I wouldn't recommend this if you're just starting out. You don't want to do paid traffic like right away. So you want to basically think of paid traffic as a investment. Um, and you want to basically try and give away as much valuable content as possible. Use a high quality video, basically it's around your niche, whatever your niche is. You don't want to try and basically just sell with some type of cold traffic on your ads. You'll never really make any money. You basically want to try and give good, valuable content, a high quality video, something that's enticing. You want to send them a piece of content, basically that's like some type of good free information from your website or your YouTube channel. Another good option is basically send them through your funnel. You can, have a video and have that go to your opt-in page where you basically give away something like a cheat sheet, and then you send them to a thank you page, and then you upsell them on the offer. So week 5, you're basically investing in paid traffic, trying to figure out your budget. You don't want to spend a lot on Facebook ads, so you don't want to do it if you don't know what you're doing. So basically you want to upscale it slowly once you know that it works. So you don't want to do it like right away. Alright, and then we have week 6, the last week. So in week 6, you're basically just repeating weeks 2 through 5. So you want to start promoting your offers. Basically, you might have done a lot of work, and this is the part where you just about start making the money. So it takes time. You might not, make anything in 6 weeks. It might happen. It might not. It might take a little longer. You just gotta keep doing the process and following the schedule, your plan, the steps basically. Each week you want to keep repeating the process. So once you start, showing that you can provide, valuable content in your niche, you can start promoting the products. That's whatever is useful to your audience. You want to look at different offers to promote, put out content. You want to give away more lead magnets. You want to basically give away more free stuff, do emails, build your website, build your funnel, do your email marketing, invest in paid traffic, and you want to drive traffic to your content sources. You basically want to just continue just driving that free traffic, and just keep planting the seeds in week 6. Just however long it takes, basically. Just keep doing that, repeating it for your own niche, for your business. So week 6 till however long you want to keep that niche going. 3-4 years. Just keep repeating weeks 2 through 5, and just try and trust the process. Try implementing these strategies. And it should work if they're done right. You want to do it daily, and I'll show you the free sign up for the training that basically teaches you affiliate marketing. There's live webinars every Friday, so there's live training. There's recorded training that's there. Shows you how to build a website. There's keyword research. There's training for Facebook ads, YouTube. There's training for basically everything that you can think of. It's really a lot. It's a free sign up. You can view the training for like 7 days for free. And if you really want to utilize the training, your first month is $20. So it's not really expensive. It's pretty cheap. So definitely recommend checking that out. The link is below the video. It's a free sign up. So I'll just show that. This is the training that I was talking about. So this is the spot where you can get comments on your website. If you're building a website, basically this is where you get the comments. People basically comment on yours, and you comment on theirs. So you can use that for comments. It helps to rank your website in Google because it gives you more content. and it also gives you, you know, some reviews. So it's good to use. There's a training here with the affiliate bootcamp. There's about 10 videos for each section, so there's quite a few you know, levels, and each one has about 10 videos there. You have the certification training, and there's a few sections here. There's about 10 videos or so, maybe a couple less for each one, but more or less there's 10. Then you have the live training. So the live training, there's some YouTube videos that's already been done. There's stuff on keyword research, SEO. See here, there's email marketing. There's that. More stuff, email marketing, stuff for blog posts, stuff for SEO, more for SEO, more for SEO. There's a lot of training here. This list kind of like never ends. There's basically a lot here. See, SEO, there's more stuff for affiliate. There's stuff for WordPress with themes, more stuff for YouTube. There's stuff for hosting, Canva, see, Google AdWords. There's just a lot. It just keeps going. I mean, there's plenty that's here. I mean, this is like great. You have access to everything. Like I said, you can view the training for free for 7 days when you sign up. The sign up is free, no charge. For your first month, it's $20, so it's not expensive. If you really want to go all in, which I would highly recommend, it's about $30 a month if you upgrade to the yearly membership. So it'd be about $30 a month if you were to do that, which is not that expensive. You basically just you know, you would use whatever you spend on going out to you know, lunch or dinner. You know, it's the $30 a month if you upgrade to the yearly. But you know, you can check it out first. It's not that expensive to check out. So the training, here's some training for the keywords. There's some, this is the more of the live training for the keywords. Or, you know, you can just, of course, just use the live webinars. There's live webinars every Friday, basically every week. There's always something new coming. There's things for link, for tracking, you know, your links. You have there's just so much here on the inside. You have direct access to the founders here of the company. Kyle, he's one of the founders, so you have direct access to him. So yeah, so guys, just check out the link below the video. It's a free sign up, and I hope you enjoy the video, and just follow the blueprint that I was talking about in the earlier in the video. You know, weeks 1 through 6, and you know, you should really be able to start making money. You know, eventually. It might not happen right away. It just takes some time, but it definitely is possible. You just want to follow the steps. So check all the links below the video. I'm gonna put my social media links below the video. You guys can follow me, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give this video a thumbs up, and comment below with any questions, any comments that you may have. Thanks.